Finding the volume of an L-shaped prism. Pause the video and have a go at example 5. In example 5, we have to find the volume of this prism on the right. If you were given this question in classwork, there's no need to draw out the 3D shape. It would take a lot of time and effort. What's important is that you just get the cross section. That is the L shape, the area that's consistent as you go through the shape. And then you have to match up with the dimensions onto the diagram. So we would have the top would be 1. This side here is 2, which matches up with here. Here is going to be 2 as well. And this part here is 3. Now, it doesn't look to be the scale, but you just trust the mathematics here. You don't look at the fact that this one looks longer than that. Don't worry about that. Quite often, mathematical diagrams can look a wee bit inaccurate. It's not our forte. The 8 is not relevant just yet. It's the length of the shape. So we need to work out the area of this L shape. And to do that, we can cut the shape into 2 rectangles. So I'm going to divide it horizontally. And we've got a rectangle at the top and the rectangle at the bottom. And we'll call them A and B. We then find the area of A. And the dimensions of that rectangle are 2 by 1. So it'll have an area of 2. And then the area of B. Now you can see it's 3 high. The distance across is not marked here. But if you notice, it's 2 here. And then this distance here is 1. So 2 plus 1 means that the bottom has a length of 3. The area of A then will be 3 times 3. So in theory, that should be a square. And that gives you 9. The total area then is the combined area. So you add the area of A and the area of B, and that will give 11. To work out the volume, it's the area of the cross section multiplied by length. That's your formula for the volume of a prism. The area of the cross section is this bit we've just worked out, which is 11. Then we multiply that by how long the shape is, which in this case is 8 centimeters. So 11 times 8, which is 88. And then our units are centimeters, and because it's a volume, centimeters cubed.